How to fix SSL_weak_server_ephemeral_dh_key error in Firefox. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Keeping your Firefox browser updated ensures that you are running the latest version with all the recent security patches and fixes. Enabling SSL3 preferences in Firefox can sometimes help bypass the error. Sometimes, the issue might be linked to old or corrupt data stored in your browser's cache. Clearing your browsing data and cache may resolve the SSL_weak_server_ephemeral_dh_key error. If that didn't work, you can configure Firefox to ignore certain security checks and establish a connection with the server despite the error. However, this should be done with caution, as it could potentially expose your system to security risks. Command in description.